Hello everyone, well to Tech Smart Auto 24. Today topic is new 2022 Nissan Qashqai e-Power Hybrid joins range. Nissan reveals new e-Power Hybrid powertrain Qashqai SUV, which is on sale in the UK now. Nissan has revealed the awaited hybrid version of the latest Qashqai, the Qashqai e-Power, which will arrive on sale in the UK this summer. The Qashqai e-Power is the brand's first model in Europe to use the firm's e-Power hybrid technology, previously equipped on several models in Japan. It makes use of a 1.5-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine developing 156 bhp, which works in series with an electric motor or system for a total power output of 188 bhp and 330 Nm torque. Nissan claims up to 53.3 mpg and CO2 emissions from 119 grams per kilometer, as in other hybrid SUV rivals. UCH as the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, the engine acts as an electricity generator, sending charge to either the compact battery pack, directly to the electric motor, or to both simultaneously. The sole source of drive for the wheels is the electric motor system. The engine does not have a gear that locks or drives the wheels directly. New technologies for the Qashqai e-Power include a system called linear tune, which closely governs engine speed so that the revolutions per second does not sound out of sync with the speed the car is traveling. The Qashqai e-Power also features partial one-pedal driving, capable of reducing the speed of the car to a slow creep, not a full stop. Nissan Qashqai pricing and specifications. Prices and trim levels for the new TH Road Generation Qashqai family SUV are out now, kicking off at £23,535. Prices for the e-Power hybrid models are not yet available. The range opens with Visia grade car, which is powered by Nissan's new 138 bhp 1.3-litre DIGT mild hybrid turbocharged petrol engine in conjunction with a manual gearbox. Epping up to the Acenta Premium model sees the price rise to £26,135 with the same engine and gearbox combination, though the more powerful version 156 bhp 1.3-litre petrol unit is priced from £26,855, a £720 premium. This model is also available with an automatic gearbox, taking the price up to £28,455. NC Nectar and Techno trims are available with every powertrain offered on the new Qashqai, starting from £28,305 and £30,845 respectively. These grades also offer the option of four-wheel drive, but this setup is only available in conjunction with Nissan's more powerful 156 bhp 1.3 DIGT engine and CVT automatic transmission, with prices starting from £32,335 in. There's a range-topping Techno trim too. It's not offered with the entry-level 138 bhp engine and manual gearbox, and is only available with the more powerful 156 bhp engine, either with front-wheel drive, manual or CVT automatic, or four-wheel drive. It's raised from £34,175. The 29,270 pounds launch spec Premier Edition trim remains available in limited numbers. It is powered by Nissan's new 138 bhp 1.3-litre D. Mild hybrid turbocharged petrol engine in conjunction with a manual gearbox, while an automatic Xtronic option is offered when paired with Nissan's Mo. A powerful Digti mild hybrid engine. This powertrain costs from £31,790 in Premier Edition trim. This high-spec model comes loaded with kit, including a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with sat-nav and wireless Apple CarPlay, a 12.3-inch digital dash and a 10.8-inch head-up display. Thank for what? For more updates, information and details, subscribe the channel and get videos notification every day. Thank you.